haven't turned on the compressor yet. I thought I did.
Is that the valve bar?
Yes. That's what I'm taking off right now, is the valve body. Should come up. be able to unclip. I got to get a little screwdriver. Unclip the electrical from it. And now we can have the valve body completely off. And lay it in here. And collect all the check balls. You got to get a little stick thing that one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's the gist of them. Now we go back to 10mm. Remove the solenoid pack, or the accumulators. Two, 3 little 8s at the back. Looks like a replacement separator plate already, like it's been done before. Yeah, Transgo right there. It's been apart before. Replaced that separator plate because of a bad one before or something. Accumulator spring. Now we take the solenoid out of the front pump. So the converter clutch lock up. Whoops, went down in the pump. And we'll get this from the other side. Get that stick magnet, see if we can get that bolt out of the pump. Got it. Okay, take this out so we don't lose it. Now we stand it back up and let the oil drain out of it. Maybe another check ball or two hit the Now we go on to the pump. 13mm. Somebody used silicone and rubber. Alright, now see if we can get the pump to pop out with the big screwdriver. No watchmaker's screwdriver. Here we go. Now comes the front pump. All kind of fresh gaskets are not brittle and breaking. That's a good thing. Keeps it from rolling off the table. And we knock out the front band. push input drum. Clutches look okay. Multi-clutch. 3/4 are burnt up. Yeah, almost that. They're slipping, not completely gone, but they're not reusable. They are burnt up. We'll see about the rest of it down in there later. This is the 2nd and 4th gear band. Looks like it's okay. Sun gear. Now I gotta get a special pair of snap ring pliers to get that part out. I don't see my I need a flashlight. I can't see the ends of the snap ring plier or snap ring itself. There it is, right on your side. Yeah, guess I'm gonna have to look at it in order to get it out. Pretend I can do it in the dark, but I can't. Being a booger. It's a replacement snap ring, it's not the factory original one. It's got a smaller edge to it, hard to get on. There we go. Oops. We got it. Now we take out planetary gears. This all looks pretty darn good so far. Let's see what happened to it. The drive shell's good. The teeth on the inside are not blown up. And this sun gear's good. Plastic washer's not melted. Now we'll go back to pulling a screwdriver out again. Getting the hooked one to get that snap ring out down there. My specialty screwdriver, Brandon. The side of it's ground down so I can go down there and hook that snap ring and pull it out. If I can see it. Pretty dark over here. There it is. Now I can reach in and pull it by hand. Now, just lay it on its back and take the guts out. I need a hammer. I think it's behind you, so don't trip and fall. This gets that center support out for me. There you go. I guess the output shaft's got to go the other way. There's what's wrong with it. It will not take off in low gear.
Why?
The clutch material, see it's got clutch material on this side? Nothing there?
Oh.
They are completely wiped out.
Hmm.
So we'll see that in just a second when I take out the tail housing. I think they did that deliberately to take clearance out because these clutch plates are still pretty good, but that one's completely gone. So I'm laying the odds that's what they did. So put that back out that way and take the tail housing off. That one came loose now. Gonna have to get a bigger gun. Spacer plate. Yeah. Two spacer plates. Ooh. I better get a swivel for this. Yep. Don't want to tear it up. Pause. Tail shaft, electronic speedometer, output shaft, and now little accumulator. In a minute I'll be able to turn this over and put it in a hot tank. Okay, it's gonna fight me. So let's take off this guy. And then we take this, turn it up. Rear output ring gear, no harm. Case saver. So 3/4 clutch was the weak link I've seen so far. And turn this face down, get the electrical out of it. That's the accumulator piston. Yeah, too much stuff on the table right now. I gotta push on it with a screwdriver to get it loose. There's the electrical harness. Now we got this servo to get out of it, and then it can go in the hot tank, or I can put it in the hot tank now and get it cleaned up. I think I'll put it in the hot tank first and get it cleaned up. That way it'll clean everything on the outside.
Rob Curtis.
Excuse me.